guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite fragrances from Initio Parfums Privé. It is sexy, it is rich, it is deep, it is intense, and it is super indulgent. Now that we're getting into this cooler fall winter season, this is the perfect fragrance for anyone, men, women, anyone to wear at night. If you want to smell like a walking, talking compliment magnet, you are going to get tons of it. I can guarantee people are going to turn heads, they are going to notice you, they are going to compliment you, and you are going to be the sexiest person in the room. So if you want to smell deep, dark and rich, stay tuned as we're talking about Side Effect. This is a warm, rich, spicy, boozy, very intense, a little woody and slightly sweet fragrance. This has some rum, it has tobacco. I'm going to have the note breakdown right here. So it has some rum, it has some tobacco, it has some saffron, I think, which gives it that very beautiful, alluring scent. It also has some sandalwood, it has some tobacco, it has some cinnamon. So the spiciness that you get in the fragrance comes in from the cinnamon, which is absolutely beautiful. I personally do not appreciate cinnamon in any form, not even like in my food, but the cinnamon in this is to the right proportion where it does not overwhelm you and it just makes the fragrance perfectly spicy. So Side Effect is a very warm fragrance. This is reminiscent of New York City to me. I think it's because I have a small little anecdote that I would like to share about Side Effect. This was one of the first fragrances that I got into and that I picked up when I started my niche perfume journey. And as soon as I smelled the fragrance, I bought it from Scent Bar in New York. As soon as I smelled the fragrance, I was just completely mind blown by it. It is so addictive. Like, you just cannot stop smelling this perfume. It is very indulgent as well. Side Effect has this super intense and sexy darkness to it. It's slightly mysterious. When you smell the fragrance, it makes you curious. Like, what all am I smelling in the perfume is the first question that comes to mind, because it is blended to the tea. It is so refined and it's very difficult to pull out each and every note. But as the perfume evolves on your skin, so you start getting the top note, you get the middle, and then you get the base, you can actually witness the scent notes transitioning on your skin. On my skin, this becomes a very warm and inviting perfume, which is like a confidence booster because it instantly makes me feel very sexy and very sensual. This was one of the fragrances that I wore the most when I started dating my partner, and oh my god, do I have so many memories with this perfume. Side Effect was the only perfume that I wore when my partner and we visited New York City for the first time, and that was kind of our first trip together, and it was so special. We went around so many places. We went to a jazz club, we had the most amazing food, and the music was out of the world. We were walking the streets of New York. It was just beautiful, and it was in the month of November, so it was that fall winter weather. Side Effect is one of the perfumes that I reach out for the most. It's so special to my partner and myself, actually, that I would wear this perfume for our wedding, like when we were getting married. It's in the night time. This is going to be one of the perfumes that I will reach out for because it just has so many memories attached to it. Why it was a pick for me at that time? Because it is so magnetic. Like, I wanted to smell absolutely out of the world when I was going out on this date, on the trip, and I wanted to smell unforgettable, and Side Effect is the perfume that makes you smell that way. And if you have this perfume, please let me know in the comments down below if you feel the same way, because it's so unique. Like, I have smelled boozy fragrances, but there is nothing like side effect. This has the perfect ratio of booziness to spiciness to woodiness. It just evolves through that, note journey perfectly. So if you are going out on dates, if you are going out on trips, if you are going out for a dinner where you just want to smell unforgettable and there is like that special someone with you who's accompanying you, this is the one that you should wear. But ideally, I would say wear it during the night time because it is a very, very heavy fragrance. It is a very deep, rich perfume which also has a lot of sweetness. I would personally never reach out for this fragrance during the daytime because it just does not sit well in that setting, for me at least. If I had to categorize this for a time of day or for an event, I would say this is a nighttime perfume, like a top-notch nighttime perfume, and perfect for special occasions with your special someone. If you want to make a million memories, this is going to be the perfect scent for you. And talking about the longevity of this scent, it is mad. Side effect performs for 12 plus hours easy. Like on your skin, this will stay on and it will just latch on. It is never going to come off of your skin, trust me. And on your clothes, it just lasts for, weeks and months. I don't even know, until you wash that piece of clothing. This scent is going to stay for its dear life, trust me. It is never going to leave your skin or your clothes. It's just absolutely insane. The performance is outstanding on the fragrance, and it also leaves an intoxicating trail behind you when you walk by, which is why you are going to get tons of compliments when you wear the perfume because it checks every single box. It has an amazing longevity, it projects like a beast, and it is perfect for both men and women. This is a unisex fragrance, slightly leaning a little masculine, but if you're like me and you do not care about masculine, feminine, unisex fragrances, this is going to be the perfect fragrance for you because it's a bold, in-your-face perfume. So if you are okay with wearing something like that, if you're okay with wearing slightly masculine fragrances, you are going to absolutely fall in love with Side Effect. So if you haven't already tried it, just go and try it out. The only thing that hurts me the most is the price point on the perfume. In fact, all the Innisio fragrances are so expensive. That is the only drawback of Innisio fragrances, but they are so special and so unique and so well blended that I don't know, when I bought it, I did not really hesitate as much when I was buying the fragrance. When I think about it now in retrospect, I do realize that okay, it is a very expensive perfume and I should have thought a little more. This was a birthday fragrance for me, so I did not really think about it that much. But it will definitely hurt your bank when you go out to buy this fragrance. That is the only complaint I have about this fragrance, that it is like very, very, very expensive. Apart from that, just look at the bottle. Just look at it, you guys. This is so beautiful. I don't know what this texture is. It's like this matte velvet. I don't know, maybe not velvet, but like matte texture with this golden logo attached. It says Innisio Side Effect here. It's luxury in a bottle, absolutely. Like I will 100% give it that. This is like a super, super rich and luxurious fragrance. And when you wear this, apart from smelling like unforgettable and sexy and sensual, you are going to smell rich and luxurious. Like anyone who smells you will be in awe of how expensive you smell, because as I said, it's just such a unique and a refined blend of perfume notes, which honestly, they have done such a great job at creating this perfume. I just don't have any other words to describe it. So I just wanted to dedicate this video to this gem of a perfume because this is my baby and I am never, ever, ever going to get rid of it. Be rest assured that I'm going to pick up another fragrance and then another bottle and then another bottle when I run out of this one, because it's just too special for me. So again, if you haven't already tried it, please go out and give give it a sniff because this fragrance is just going to change your world. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and drop your comments letting me know if you have tried the fragrance, if you own it, how has your experience been? Is there a specific fragrance that you have saved for smelling sexy and sensual for those special occasions with your significant other? Is boozy, warm, spicy your vibe for that setting, or is it something completely different that you enjoy? Please let me know in the comments below. I would love to read through them. Also, I would like to extend a note of gratitude to each and every one of you who watches my videos, who supports me and has subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate you and thank you for helping me build this tiny little fragrance community where we can share our thoughts and just connect and talk about fragrances and everything around it. So thank you for watching. I will see you next time, and until then, spread those good vibes and beautiful scents wherever you go.